to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we explore the most stunning luxury homes and dream lifestyles across Texas. If you love modern architecture, elegant interiors, and premium living, then you're in exactly the right place. Today, we're excited to bring you an exclusive tour of a truly beautiful luxury home that blends style, comfort, and sophistication in every detail. As we begin, take a moment to enjoy this breathtaking drone day view. From above, the home immediately stands out with its modern architectural design and its bold yet elegant maroon and gray color palette. The clean lines, wide driveway, and perfectly maintained landscaping create a powerful first impression. This is the kind of property that feels impressive the moment you arrive, offering both privacy and presence in a peaceful setting. Walking toward the entrance, the home welcomes you with a grand and inviting front door that sets the tone for what's inside. As you step into the foyer, you're greeted by high ceilings, premium flooring, and a sense of openness filled with natural light. The maroon and gray tones flow beautifully throughout the space, creating a warm yet modern atmosphere that feels both luxurious and comfortable. One of the most unique and meaningful features of this home is the dedicated prayer room. Designed with peace and tranquility in mind, this space offers a calm environment for reflection and prayer. Soft lighting, minimal decor, and soothing colors make it a perfect retreat from the busy pace of daily life, adding a spiritual and thoughtful touch to the home. Moving forward, the living room opens up into a spacious and elegant area designed for both relaxation and entertaining. Large windows bring in natural daylight, while modern furniture and tasteful decor enhance the luxurious feel. The maroon and gray color theme adds depth and character, making this space feel refined without sacrificing comfort. Just beyond the living area, the TV lounge provides a cozy and inviting setting for movie nights or casual evenings with family and friends. The large screen, comfortable seating, and ambient lighting create a private theater-like experience right at home. It's a perfect blend of style and functionality. The kitchen is truly a highlight of this property. Designed for both everyday use and entertaining, it features marble countertops, high-end built-in appliances, and a spacious island that serves as the heart of the home. The maroon cabinetry paired with gray accents creates a bold, modern look that feels both elegant and timeless. Whether you love cooking or hosting guests, this kitchen is designed to impress. Adjacent to the kitchen is the dining area, where style and comfort come together effortlessly. The dining space is ideal for family meals, special occasions, and gatherings with loved ones. Modern lighting, a beautifully designed dining table, and a welcoming atmosphere make this area perfect for creating lasting memories. As we continue through the home, the bedrooms offer a sense of calm and relaxation. The master bedroom, in particular, feels like a private sanctuary. With soft lighting, spacious design, and carefully chosen finishes, it's a place designed for rest and comfort. The maroon and gray tones continue here, creating a soothing and elegant environment. The bathrooms throughout the home feel like a luxury spa experience. Featuring modern fixtures, glass showers, elegant marble textures, and soft lighting, these spaces are designed to help you relax and unwind while enjoying everyday comfort. For those who value health and wellness, this home also includes a private gym. Equipped with modern workout equipment and a clean, motivating design, it allows you to stay active without ever leaving home. The garage offers generous space for multiple vehicles and is finished with a clean, modern look that matches the quality of the rest of the home. It's practical, organized, and thoughtfully designed. Stepping outside, the swimming pool area completes the luxury experience. This outdoor space feels like a private resort, perfect for relaxing, entertaining, or enjoying warm Texas days. The modern pool design and maroon and gray exterior accents bring everything together beautifully. This home is a perfect example of modern luxury living, combining thoughtful design, premium finishes, and a lifestyle that truly feels special. Thank you for watching American Dream Mansions. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'll see you again soon with another incredible luxury home tour.